Hello, friends. This is Dr. Ranveer Pava. I'm a doctor of nature medicine. I have talked about memory loss during COVID 19 in my earlier video. Today, I'm going to talk about the post COVID 19 diet and foods. I'm a hobby cook also. I have written a book on healthy cooking years ago. I'll show you that at the end of the video. So what I want to say the what should be our food and diet when we come home after COVID-19 infection or post COVID-19 diet. This will be delivered in two parts. First part is on soft diets like soups and broths. Part two is balanced diets. This In this video, I'm talking about soft diets like soups. In the beginning, one should take liquid or semi-liquid diets, um, also called soft diet or easy digesting diets, at least for 2 to 4 weeks. Cooked liquid food, I'm giving a very hearty vegetable broth. So boil in enough pure water. The recipe is the green leafy vegetables like kale half cup, lettuces half cup, carrots half cup, tori or zucchini or green or hairy gourd 1 cup. You can add one or more of this kind of cucumber family vegetables. You can add cucumber, kheera in Hindi or kakadi, small wedge of a beet, asparagus half cup, broccoli or mustard leaves half cup if broccoli available, or otherwise mustard leaves can be used half cup or less if you don't like mustard taste, or you can avoid it also. Radish or daikon 1/4 cup. Some people don't like even radish or daikon, so that can be deleted or so not to be added. Further is green coriander or cilantro, same thing, parsley 2 tablespoon, uh, small ginger piece 1 inch square or more, onions, green onions, you can half tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of green onion, and 1/4 cup of onion. Salt to taste, spices of your liking, either curry spices, cumin, coriander, turmeric, ginger, fennel, or Italian spices. People in the West who are watching this video, they can use, uh, you know, basil or tarragon, marjoram, oregano. So that's their choice. Depending upon the amount of raw soup material of for proteins, one we need to add some protein. So protein needed because in infections and these kind of long diseases, infectious diseases, we lose a lot of weight, and so proteins can be added, 2 to 4 tablespoons of red lentil or yellow lentil in the soup making. Non-vegetarians can add minced meat, chicken will be the best. One may add a full, half or full apple or pear in soup to have a mild sweeter side, or slide. For making broth, you need estimated water 6 cups and vegetables 2 to 3 cups. After a good boil, use cooker if you have one. Vegetables must go mushy between your fingers. Put in a blender and puree it. One can boil it more to concentrate it if it is a little over fluidy. So one can squeeze, if you want, lime juice during serving, make it digestible and can stop nausea or vomiting feeding. And if you like to have butter or ghee or oil, so that can be added, but yeah, watch when you are sick. Our digestive system is also sick too, so it cannot digest heavy greasy foods. So maybe very small amount if you like. Soups and other common options. So I have added other options for making soups or different kind of soup. Vegetables that are indicated for broth can be selected to make soup. So you don't have to puree it or uh, you know n- you know mush it. Here you chop. Here you put chopped vegetables. For those who are non-vegetarians, can add again chicken breast chunks in vegetable soups too. Well cooked vegetables, or you can eat with a soft bread. Liquidy khichdi made from rice and red lentil, the famous khichdi of Indian cooking. Uh, you can use red lentil, lal masoor dal, or yellow lentil, washed mung beans. They look like yellow. Otherwise, whole mung bean is green. Rice noodle soups can be had with the vegetables or with minced chicken. Celery, barley, and chicken soups can be made. And I'm giving all these options if you don't have the top one, so you can, as a because I said, yeah, fluidy food or soupy foods to be taken, light soups, soft diet. So organic canned broths can be used to drink and making soups. Rice and or wheat porridge can be eaten with broth or vegetable soups. Coconut water can be drank, if you like to. It has a lot of minerals, but doesn't have any proteins. So you have to put it. You can put into the your broth or soups. So or rice gruel. So overboiled rice and is mushed. So rice gruel, eat with broth, very tasty. I have eaten when I have any time I have my tooth pulled out or some tooth work. So very tasty rice gruel is fed to the children. Eat with broth. Idli, rasam with less chili, or sambar like South Indian dishes. Not anymore South Indian, they're all over the world. Or diluted semolina kheer, pudding, use honey or maple syrup, jaggery instead of white sugar, or any other kind of kheer like rice kheer, rice pudding, you know, custards, you know, custards can be used. So this is when I'm talking today. I have written a book. As I mentioned, I'm going to present this book here. I'm showing this book of mine has been sold many copies. So you see, Healthy Cooking Volume 1, Whole Food Ayurvedic Recipes, Vegetarian, Gluten Free, Yeast Free, Sugar Free. It's kind of a vegan cooking also. There is not much, no, not much. Animal products have been used. They're just as a side dish or side, but major recipes cooking is all vegetarian. So I have emailed down below in this video. You can email me and you can purchase too if you want to. Thank you. So this was my talk, part one, and I am going to talk part two later on, and you can watch that too. So that will be more solid foods, major or minor food groups. So thank you very much to listening this small talk on post-COVID food and diet, which is very important and very healthy, very helpful to regaining your health and energy and strength. So hope you will like it. If you need that soup recipe, you can email me too. I can mail you that. And I end this talk. Thank you for listening. I appreciate that. Be healthy, be happy. This is Dr. Ranveer Pava. See you soon on these videos. All my information is given below this video. Take care. Bye.